Hello everyone, I am Amir Fers, a data analyst. Welcome to Datamir Hub. In today's video, I will revisit an old post where I analyzed the best times to post on LinkedIn based on my profile data. Looking at which posts got the most engagements after that post, I was asked many times on how to export LinkedIn data, and recently, after a whole year of posting that post, I got the same question again. So I decided to make this quick tutorial to show you how to do this and highlight this feature in the LinkedIn that many doesn't know about. There are four types of data you can export. Specific posts data like this one. If we can go here to below the posts, we can go and open a new analytics section. In this place, we can go and export our specific post data. We go here. Let's do a small export. Can go here and you can see that we have many information about our post. Another type of exports we have is if we go to our LinkedIn page specifically, if we go to our LinkedIn page specifically and go to the post impressions, we can see that there is another type of export we can do, the impressions, and also there is the engagements. If we can select it here, and both of them we can export. There is like a filter that we can export up to a 1 year. Also there is another type which is the audience. We can export how many followers we got in the past few days or in a whole year, as I said before, and with the demographic, etc. All of them you can export from here, and it's very helpful. You get it as an Excel. After that, you can feed it to Python, you can feed it to Power BI, and do whatever you want with it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you, and maybe in the future we will have another video where we analyze our LinkedIn data again. Feel free to leave a question in the comments or contact me directly on LinkedIn.